Hi everyone, welcome to TikTok YouTube channel. Welcome to my TikTok YouTube channel in collaboration with Rotary Club Dela Paz MarcHi from District 3800. By the way, I'm Rotarian OG, or you can call me Oliver for short. Hashtag TikTok aims to provide basic education information about Rotary Club Dela Paz MarcHi flagship projects and beyond. And for that, let me start with the Rotary Club existing 6 areas of focus. The first area of focus of Rotary clubs are peace building and conflict prevention. Second, disease prevention and treatment. Third, water, sanitation and hygiene. Fourth, maternal and child health. Fifth, basic education and literacy. 6. Community economic development. So these are the Rotary Club's existing 6 areas of focus. Last June 26, 2020, the Rotary Foundation Trust and Rotary International Board of Directors have approved adding a new area of focus. Guess what? Supporting the environment. Supporting the environment becomes Rotary's 7th area of focus, which are categories of service activities supported by global grants. That's why we at Rotary Club Dela Paz MarcHi is embracing the opportunity of creating a distinct area of focus to support the environment, because we at Rotary Club Dela Paz MarcHi believe that this will bring more positive ways and increase meaningful impact to the world we live in. In fact, one of the flagship projects of Rotary Club Dela Paz MarcHi for Rotary year 2020-2021 is called Opportunity. And guess what? This is a very timely project since we are now entering the monsoon season. Now, what makes this distinct to the previous 3 planting projects that we have done in the past? Hashtag exciting, ha? Hashtag kakaiba. Hashtag bibitinin ko muna kayo sa mga details about the Opportunity Project. And since nabitin ko na kayo, let me just step a bit forward. This is to give you some ideas and food for thoughts. Something to think about. Did you know that not all seedlings is suitable to be planted in the Philippines, especially if the seedlings are tagged to be 1. Bio-invasive species or non-native trees. An example of bio-invasive or non-native trees are the likes of very common. This is very common that you can see that is being planted during the tree planting project. This is the large leaf mahogany. Another example, ipil-ipil. This is very common anywhere in the state, especially here in Rizal. Hagonoy tree is another bio or non-native trees. Coronitas, paper mulberry, and many more. But I will discuss this further in my next YouTube video. So, the next question is, what are the trees or seedlings that is suitable to be planted in the country? So these trees are called native trees. Excited na ba kayo about about these trees? And how are you how are you going to identify these trees? Well, these trees are called native or endemic to the Philippines. An example of this are mangkono or magkono. Did you know that this tree is otherwise known as the Philippine iron wood tree? Another example of a native or endemic to the Philippines is the Palawan cherry. Palawan cherry is considered as a comparable to the cherry blossoms of Korea and Japan. Rainbow eucalyptus tree, or locally known as bagras, is a very unique or native trees that can be found in the Philippines, and otherwise called as a rainbow tree because of its trunk, or its the tree that has a lot of colors in it. Now, another questions that you might have in mind while watching this video is, what is the importance of using native trees instead of planting non-native trees during a tree planting project? Native trees helps recovers and expand forest habitats for threatened native species of plants and animals. Native trees helps to protect watersheds and freshwater resources. Native trees help improve continuity with the local natural landscape. Also, native trees secure the livelihood of the local people. And lastly, native trees helps link protected areas and natural forests. Amazing, di ba? Information overload na ba? Okay, let me just go back to MarcHi's flagship project since I'm excited to join this activity. I already have started to germinate some of native seeds which I bought online from a local farmer. Remember which I've mentioned earlier about securing the livelihood of the local people? And that is one importance of having a native tree. And again, this has a direct link to the 6 or the 7 areas of focus which I've mentioned also earlier, specifically community economic development, supporting the environment. These are one of the areas of focus, or two of the important areas of focus of Rotary clubs. Here are the example of my native seedlings. I have here Palawan cherry, a local version ng cherry blossoms, Magkono or Philippine ironwood, and Bagras or rainbow eucalyptus. I have started germinating these seeds which I mentioned earlier that I bought from a local farmers online. Some came from the southern part of the Philippines, other came from Marikina, which is a member of the Philippine Native Tree Enthusiast, and other seedlings. It's as I mentioned, I bought it online. So hashtag excited for MarcHi Opportunity Project. Kaya my fellow Rotarians, friends, and those who are watching this video, I am encouraging you to join MarcHi Opportunity Project or Opportunity Project, which we will be launching in the next couple of months. Together, we will bring more positive ways and increase meaningful impact to the world we live in without leaving our home. I hope that everyone who's watching this video like it, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to Rotary Club Dela Paz MarcHi YouTube channel. Together, we will fly high, MarcHi. Thanks everyone, and thanks for watching.